little bit this very common disease.
It's got, called the leaf rust.
Yeah, leaf rust and
Yes. Now, it can be eradicated by spraying. There are curative chemicals, but we're trying to just allow it and see whether it can develop an immunity to it, and over a period of time when we don't add these chemicals, and see if we can overcome. So that it can maintain a smaller crop, but also a healthier crop.
So how many years you now been farming like this, that you don't use any chemicals?
4 years now.
4 years.
Yes, ever since 2020.
Yeah. Why did you make decision to stop using the chemicals?
It was basically an economics decision, because we had a large loan, and we had to pay back the bank. So the banks were eating all our interest up. So we didn't have much to. We didn't put chemical manures. So we started making our own manures on the estate.
Okay.
With cattle manure and decomposer, and using mulch.
Okay.
And we started doing that, and that's given us a steady crop, but not a large crop.
Anyway, but you basically changed the chemical fertilizers, pesticides to your homemade products that are more organic. Yeah.
And then if you notice, we have not done much of shade lopping. So we allowed a lot of tree growth, so that it grows like a jungle. So the coffee gives it a more flavorful coffee because of the temperature that it maintains here.
So basically you have a possibility to also to go certificated organic if you have a will. Do you have a interest to do that in the future years?
It's left to be seen. I want to know what my family wants, whether they want to back it and they want to go for that certification.
Yeah, because it's also costly.
It's costly. Yeah. So that's a decision for us to make in the future. But right now, you notice that we have all sorts of trees here. Jungle trees.
So, very beautiful spot. And we have not been so much on this. This is the other side of the Giri that most of the Chikmagaluru area coffee comes from.
These are the traditional areas that were in the early part of the century when people came, they settled in here.